What is going on, guys? It is Friday here at the shop. We got Ben at the garage vlog. Ben the garage vlog. Got some parts in that we're going to be doing a quick unboxing for you. What's the plans here, Ben?
We're going to talk about stuff.
Nice. So we have one more build going on, or that's going to be coming up here soon. A little bit of a collaboration with one of our new friends. I can't say anything right now. We're under an embargo, I guess. We're going to be doing a full build that's going to be different, and that might be a little bit more interesting to some of our more hardcore guys.
We're going to be doing a build that's not like the other two we've done.
What's in this box?
Oh, this is nothing exciting. Just some Douglas wheels.
Nice.
So probably not even going to open it up. Just going to leave it here for display purposes.
It's one of these things.
Yeah, it's 3 of them. So that gives away a little bit of what we're building.
A trike?
Yeah. So this here's a jig that I came up with that pretty much holds the neck tube here. It's fully adjustable. You can move it up and down and then move the angle too for whatever frame you're wanting to build.
Well, it just makes it so you can pump them out real fast.
Yeah, I mean.
And so that everything's the same.
Yeah,
that's the biggest thing.
That's the biggest thing, is making sure that once we nail down a final design, which I think we have, each frame's going to be identical. Burn these on the plasma. Use a 1-inch tube, some holes, machine that on the mill, and then this will just get the bushings put in, and then everything pretty much will get built off of the neck. But
now, is that going to make it all like the black one? Will they all be like the black one?
Yeah, which, what do you think? That one's more comfortable.
Yeah, I'd be interested to see what that one felt like with that bigger gear in it. How about somebody said in the comments of that Instagram reel, which if you guys aren't following our Instagram, follow our Instagram. The Instagram reel said, wheelie bars, and then put a rainbow, which you can interpret what that means. And I'm like, guy, you're just going to flip over if you don't have wheelie bars.
Well, you know, that guy, he's probably a pro rider. You know?
He probably's got 3 or 4 of these, you know?
Yeah, probably just the best thing since sliced bread. So,
wow.
I guarantee you take that guy and you put him on that, he's flipping over. He's flipping right the freak over. So to that guy, I say, come down.
Yeah, we're going to invite that guy.
Pay the $3,500 deposit. If you flip it over, it's yours, you know?
No, if you don't flip it over, it's yours.
No, if he does. I don't want a trike that's all flipped over after he jacks it all up.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
You know? You know, put $3,500 on the line. Come down here and don't flip it over. But so I thought it'd be a funny idea to, since these last 2 trikes that we built were battery operated, lithium powered, I thought it'd be funny to take the battery and wrap it like an actual battery. A bunch of guys were asking in the comments how many watts we were running, so I figured I'd put it right on the battery for everybody asking. It is 1.21 gigawatts or gigawatts.
I think it's gigawatts.
Yeah.
Or gigawatts.
It's
what do they say?
Well, they say both. So, but got the garage vlog logo on there, and you guys might recognize this as a popular copper top. So, not sponsored.
Extended life.
Yeah. So, just thought that'd be something funny and cool to make this unique.
Yeah.
We got to run that sweet rolling printer every now and then so it doesn't get all gummed up.
Oh, the one that you, it's a big piece of garbage.
The biggest pile of garbage in the shop. You got to keep her running or else he doesn't get too happy and then doesn't want to work.
So, this week we accomplished, well, we didn't get 3 videos up. Unless we upload this, I mean, it has potential.
Week's not over.
How many Instagram followers did we get? 1,500?
Quite a few.
So over like the last 2 weeks, maybe like 1,500.
Yeah.
But if you
we
guys
had some personal bests this week are real.
We've been like sticking with it, which I think is awesome. If any of you guys are from Instagram, drop a comment and let us know, because we'd love to know how many people actually got converted from Instagram over here to YouTube, which we need to figure out how to make that happen more.
Yeah.
Also, if you guys have any ideas, like stuff you want to see in the shop, things that you want to explain, like, let us know that too. What else?
Yeah, because we kind of have to pick and choose what we put in the videos, because we can't put it all in, or else it's going to be like a 24-hour video.
Yeah. People throwing ideas down in the comments, like, who knows, maybe we'll send you a t-shirt or something.
Yeah. Which that's a whole nother thing that we want to get to, is we've got some t-shirt designs in the works.
Yeah.
Where we're
Here, come with me.
We're going to be trying to give away, the goal is to give away a t-shirt every video.
So about 2 days ago, I was performing for Ben and Dave on the Blackstone, and I said, man, I really like the idea of like making some t-shirts, but like those like old, like kind of like monster cars, like monsters on like the little cars that look like they're like speeding and going fast. They got like the big shift, like hand shifters and whatnot. So, is that my phone? Literally, a day later, Ben hits up our boy. What's his name?
Buddy.
Is that his actual name?
Yeah.
Buddy. Comes up with this, and then a day later comes up with this. So
let me get a little zoom on that.
If this looks familiar, I'll drop in that other picture of the Instagram post. This is supposed to be me getting a wheelie on old Dr. Pepper, and this. Oh, how cool would it be like just go like this, and then like cut to another frame, and it's like on me. Anyways, we're gonna be putting these on some T-shirts and giving them away. So
I think that's gonna be the easiest way to give it away. Give away the T-shirts is to run it on Instagram, probably through our stories.
Yeah.
And then I want to say 24 hours after the video launches, we're gonna be doing shirt giveaway.
Yeah.
Each video. So for you OG guys that follow us on YouTube, your chances are pretty much amazing right now at winning a shirt.
Well, there's only like...
If you look at our past videos, we probably only have a couple comments.
Yeah.
So...
Well, Teddy's excluded. Teddy's not getting one.
I think we include Teddy.
Oh, you think so?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
I mean...
We'll see, maybe.
Equal rights, equal fights.
Equal, yeah. Well,
so...
Teddy...
Step up your game, Teddy. Comment, like.
He's always commenting. He's always liking.
Well, maybe we should send him a shirt for free.
He's our one OG. Shout outs. I'd like to give a shout out to Chuck, Muscode. Chuck, thanks. Mr. Beggs for always watching and commenting, at least on Instagram stuff. So.
I feel like we should send those guys a couple shirts.
Yeah, we should get their address and whatnot.
Yeah, I mean, if they watch this video and see that...
If they watch this and comment and say, hey, like, you go to comment and say,
well, no, just...
Potato cakes.
No, just see, yeah, make sure they watch the video.
Yeah.
You guys get a free shirt.
If Muscode watches this, Chuck, Mr. Beggs watches this, and you comment and say something, hey, like, go on our Instagram and say, I want my free shirt, we'll send you a shirt.
We got to send Teddy a shirt because he's been watching all the videos.
Yeah, Teddy's a good guy. We need to get Teddy up here.
We'll send Teddy a shirt.
Or Teddy's like the guy that we always just have like a freaking a mask on him, and nobody knows who he actually is.
Yeah.
We need to come up with a game plan for next week. So depending on what time this all ends and whatnot, is if we get a video out tonight, which probably will. Let us know if you like the format, the 3 videos. Is it too much? Would you rather see longer videos but only see them twice a week? And then I still got to get that podcast thing set up. Like I need to almost just edit that up and post it tomorrow.
Yeah.
And just break it up into parts because like there's so much gold in there.
Yeah.
But like my computer kept locking up on me and I couldn't freaking get it done. So. Oh, also, we both have onboard mics. So if you guys have noticed, that's why like Ben can literally let's give him a demo.
Demo.
Go like walk to the other side of the shop.
Which side?
I thought you were gonna go that way, but so
But
Ben can walk completely, be facing the other way. Give me some gold, Ben.
Well, I mean, just out here building these trikes, testing this audio, showing people that no matter where I'm at,
Give me a little go juice.
Give you a what?
Some go juice.
Can you hear my stomach growling from over there?
Probably.
Didn't eat lunch.
So anyways, we got these really sweet Rode mics so that you guys can hear us at any point that we're in the shop. If we're turned around, we've tried it out before with just a microphone on top of the camera, and anytime somebody turns around or if they turn their head to tell you that they're doing something, or like, oh, like look at this like plug over here, instantaneously the audio just goes away. And we're shooting this all in 4K, so if you can tell a difference, we'd love another comment.
I bet you would. You'd love that comment. The only bad thing is whenever I'm trash talking, it all gets picked up on this thing.
It's like a live photo that you actually send somebody and you're trash talking while you're doing it.
Even no matter where I'm at in here.
No, that's our kryptonite. The freaking that's not even the heater. That's the freaking
air compressor.
The air compressor. I think you probably still hear us though.
Yeah. It gives it that shop feel whenever you got an air compressor running in the background. Yeah, the one thing that we probably should have gone over a little bit more, but I don't want to give away too many secrets, is the new build that's going down.
Yeah.
Another thing I wanted to cover is everybody keeps asking, where can we get these? Will you guys build me one? What's the price?
Should we give that away?
Yeah, we probably shouldn't, but we should.
I thought you were going to say you should.
We'll give something else away.
Well, here I don't think nobody's going to watch this anyway, so it doesn't matter.
I wouldn't even say anything about the beep.
You know
Just
what?
stay tuned. We have a master plan. Everybody that keeps asking where you can get these, how you can buy them, what the price is, hold steady. We have a game plan. It's just going to take us a couple weeks, if not a month or so, to roll out what we have planned. It's going to be something pretty cool that I don't think anybody's really done yet, which everybody says that. It's going to be something that nobody's ever done, but this honestly is going to be something.
Well, at least not with this.
It's going to be pretty cool.
With mini bikes.
I still want to keep that until we have our other things going on get finished up first.
Yeah.
We're under contract.
Yeah.
So
this next week, we're going to start building a third trike.
yeah. So this year's going to be a third trike. Like I said, it's not like anything we've built before. I'm trying to sound like freaking Paul Jr. saying that. It's something like we've never done before.
We need a video of me throwing a chair at you.
Well, these are freaking heavy bar stools.
No, we need some like WWE ones that are like real light, but they're real loud.
Foam and snapping half.
That'd be hilarious. I think we need to start yelling at each other more too. People love drama.
Well, we don't even need to yell now that we got these mics. You could just go up and down with the volume.
Well, you just gotta be angry.
Yeah. But I don't know. Do you think we got any gold in this video? Any?
Oh, I mean,
this
is a garage vlog.
I think we're trying to streamline our videos too, where it's not just chaos. They're kind of structured.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not going to name any particular videos, but there have been some chaotic videos with really no purpose behind them. Moving forward, we're going to have try to have more of a game plan.
Yeah.
Back before Russ joined the team, my channel was strictly informative. Like, you're in school and you're getting in trouble. Like, the seriousness.
Yeah.
Which really isn't me at all, but it's the character I play on YouTube. So
you're an actor.
That guy, he's gone.
For all the people that subscribe for that.
Yeah. They're going to be like, who is this
Yeah, they're
guy?
going to be like, what is going on?
Yeah.
They're going to think you got like a personality change. You got hit in the head with a steel chair and freaking personality disorder now.
Man. I think the last video that we put out was a good format. It was informative.
Oh, yeah.
But
yeah, if you guys like that, drop a comment. How many comments can we drop?
All 3 of our people.
Yeah, Teddy, you better be commenting 3 times.
Yeah.
If you want that T-shirt. So no, but it was cool because it was like it had like a vlog feel to it, but it was informative. Yeah. Got people like to know what they wanted to know.
Yeah.
The game plan I'd like to see more of is like, so Ben built those 2 trikes, and then they kind of just appeared, and we want to be able to like make it more of a process, and even if it takes like over a couple videos, we can't get hung up on like oh, this has to be one video, or like this like it's almost like getting rid of the mindset of like this is going to be a 1 million view video, and like those can be there, but like the process and stuff I think is still going to be cool and is going to have good content.
Because like how you said those 2 trikes just appeared, that took me probably, I don't even know how many hours of filming. You said there's what, like 120 gig of footage?
Yeah.
And that's just the stuff that I filmed even at a lower video quality. So like, I don't know, there was probably 40 hours or something.
The game plan is shorts are being pushed really hard by YouTube. So we're going to start doing shorts, which most of them, they're probably going to be teasers of the videos to come, so almost like a trailer. And then other stuff can just be like random, like people like almost hit the cameraman with a trike and whatnot. So
well, yeah, I want to say some of our stuff will be trailers for the upcoming video if it's, you know, action packed, and then other stuff would be like doing that battery wrap that we talked about, where it's not really long enough to make a whole video on. Yeah. But it would be perfect for a short where you could get something quick, watch it, and.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon. Have a great day. Peace.